Hey guys, welcome into the Flippin Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new here or you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Help us feed a hungry hippo. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up as you're watching today. Today we are doing part 3 of this plush unboxing. I bought 3 boxes. We're still unboxing the first box. If you haven't watched parts 1 and 2, I highly recommend it. I will link at least one of them at the end of this video. In part 1, I talked about how much I paid for the boxes, how much plush I got, and all of those good details. I just want to dive into these and show you what's left in this box. We're getting to the bottom, which is why I'm standing up and way back here. So let's just jump on in. If you want all the details, like I said, they are in the very first video of this series. This is a series. I got 3 boxes and it's taking me 3 videos to get through one. I guess I could have made a 45-minute to an hour long video, but I don't like to keep people that long. So let's jump in. We've got a Build-A-Bear. She's pink. She's special. Look at her feet. She's super cute. Then we have a Paw Patrol. There were a lot of Paw Patrol in this box. I love Paw Patrol. I'll take Paw Patrol all day long. This is an Eddie Bauer bandana on this dog, who is a Gund. Gund is a good brand. Sorry I can't show you guys the tags and everything, but I got to be able to get down to the bottom of this box, and I couldn't do that sitting. Hello Kitty. A Lovey. This is a cute Lovey. So it's not like a square blanket. It's in the shape of the frog's body. Super cute. And the brand is Baby. That's all it says is Baby. We've got a Disney. I think this is Marie from Aristocats. She's got Disney right on her tush. I'm pretty sure this is Marie. Everybody wants to be a cat. Then we have this really super weird, cute looking now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that tag? You see? It's a jelly cat. All right. We've got Dandy. Really cute cat. Dandy's a pretty good brand, guys. We got an elephant Lovey that's cute too because he's got like the elephant shape for his blankie part. We have a little giraffe puppy. Him is tiny and cute. He would like you to know that he is cute. We've got 2 little pig puppets. These are super cute because they look like they have mud on them. Aren't they cute? 2 of them. I'm not sure if I'll lot them up or just do one listing with 2 available. This is a puppet rabbit. An elephant puppet. She had a lot of puppets in here. Can't go wrong with puppets. A little shark. I think that's from Baby Shark. Is that Mama Shark? Let me know if you have young kids, because I don't have any idea. Baby Boys. Not a Baby Boys. Cute little duck. A troll from the movie Trolls. Just a couple more, folks. Another Ann Geddes. I'm going to put that over here because it has a hard face. Another Paw Patrol. This is Paw Patrol the movie. More Paw Patrols. Somebody got rid of their whole Paw Patrol collection, I swear. Another one. Another one. Oh, can't see his face. Another one. This one's a puppet. Cute. We've got a little tiny Hello Kitty clip keychain. It is a tie. And a baby Gonga by Russ. And a dwarf. I think that's Sneezy. He's got the red nose. There were 2 dwarves in here, and I'll probably be giving both to Key's grandfather. He collects the dwarves. I wanted to see if I could get to where you could see the baby Ganga, little monkey. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? All right, that is all of the plush out of this box. There are 2 more boxes. I probably won't be bringing them up and working on them for a couple of weeks. I got to get through all of this plush, and we still got tons of jeans and other things we're working on. I buy excessive amounts of plush and other inventory just to build up a good, solid, healthy stockpile, just in case. You never know what's going to happen. Right before shutdown, Keith and I had made the deal with ourselves. No more thrifting until our death pile is gone. Many of you have probably made that deal with yourselves in the past. But as soon as our death pile was gone, the shutdown happened and we couldn't go thrifting anymore. We had to get very inventive in 2020 to find inventory. So I don't ever want that to happen again. But plus, with the weather here in Pennsylvania, we haven't been thrifting in about a week. It's been wintry mix. It's been snow. It's been ice. It's been sleet. So we skipped. We went last Sunday, but we did not go Wednesday, and we will not be going this Sunday because it's Keith's birthday. So if you're seeing this later, because I'm not sure when I'm going to put this out, his birthday is the 29th January. But yeah, we've been inside for like 4 or 5 days. We haven't left because of the weather. So it's always nice to have a healthy stockpile. You probably don't want 6 storage units in your whole house being taken over while you're only listing 2 items a day. I mean, clearly then you have an issue. But it's nice to have a nice, healthy stockpile to work on just in the case the events happen. You know what? Mother Nature happens, weather happens, life happens, shutdown happened. And there may be times when you go thrifting and don't find much. And then you have stuff to work on. So the other 2 boxes eventually will come up and I will do a haul with them. But right now they're going to stay down in the garage. I still have an entire gaylord of plush from American Thrifts I've never opened on the channel. So, yeah, I'll work on this and see what happens. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments. Go be productive. Go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.